In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board in Miro. If you've ever found yourself in the position of needing to tidy up your workspace or remove an old project, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Miro account and head over to the Miro dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the hub of all your activities on Miro, showcasing all your boards and projects in one convenient location. Now, once you're on the dashboard, it's time to focus on the boards list. Hover your mouse over this list as it displays all the boards you currently have under your account. This is a handy way to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Now, here's where we specifically target the board you'd like to delete. Hovering over the boards list will reveal a set of options. What we're looking for next is the options menu related to the board you intend to remove. You'll see a small icon, typically represented by 3 vertical dots, in the corner or near the board. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that drop-down, one of the choices will be Delete. Select this option, but before you proceed, it's crucial to double-check that this is indeed the board you want to remove. Once a board is deleted, you won't be able to restore it, so take a moment to ensure you're not deleting something still in use or needed. After clicking on Delete, you might see a confirmation dialog appear. This final step is an extra security measure Miro uses to ensure users don't accidentally lose important work. If you're sure about your choice, simply confirm the deletion. Typically, this just involves clicking. Delete once more within the dialog. And that's it. The board is now removed from your list. However, if at any point you realized you need to preserve certain information from a board before deleting, it's always a good idea to take screenshots or export any necessary data. Deleting boards in Miro can help keep your workspace clean and focused. Regularly reviewing and managing your boards can lead to a more streamlined project management experience, leaving you with only the most relevant and up-to-date content available at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you efficiently clean up your Miro workspace. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.